Those are his cheeks. Those are the car's cheeks. Cheeks? Yeah, cheeks. Very cute. Can you show me the rest of your car? What else does he have? Wheels. A steering wheel for driving. Let me see you drive. Beep, beep. Nice. All right. Hi. Do you need some water? I'll get it for you, okay? Okay, let me see you do a little driving. Yeah, nice. Okay. Can you say, I'm going to post this video for Granny. Can you say, hi, Granny?
Mama.
Yeah, hi, Mama. How about hi, Granny?
Baby.
Baby, yes, you're the baby. Hi, baby. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.